Thank you for joining me, everyone. I appreciate it so much. And I am here for our weekly COVID-19 and just City of Compton update. And I want to also take some time at the end of my updates for you to just answer any questions you may have. I know that a lot of times there's information that circulates in the community that isn't always accurate, so I'm here to be your source of accurate information as well. And let me just pull up that information. Okay. Okay, my office is watching, and I want to ask that Candice, my chief, if you can email me once more your current outline for today. It's lost on my screens here, and I have so much going on. I can just have it at the top. But I will go over the standard update for today. As of yesterday, which was April 21st, the last county update, there were 15,140 cases of confirmed COVID-19 in Los Angeles County, which includes 663 fatalities or deaths. In Compton, we have 126 confirmed COVID-19 cases. We currently are within the shelter-in-place, stay-at-home mandate. We fall under the jurisdiction of Los Angeles County Health Department, and so we are taking their direction on when it is safe to reopen our community. We're abiding by the May 15th Safer at Home date. Unless something changes, we will notify you immediately if we believe that we'll be extending the stay-at-home mandate. I know that other states and other cities are loosening restrictions around the nation. I know Georgia most recently opened or loosened restrictions for certain essential businesses or non-essential businesses, what have you. But we are going to continue to listen to the health officials and ensure that we can protect your human health and safety for your families in our community. Also, just want to share, be transparent as possible. We know that testing is an issue, and sometimes access to testing is an issue. Currently, we have several medical providers in the city of Compton, and as of last week, only 2 were providing COVID-19 tests. And so I reached out to the county. We had a call yesterday and also today, and so we'll have a firm confirmation on the additional testing procedures that we'll have dispatched to the city of Compton. The change that's happening right now is moving from stationary facilities to mobile testing centers. There are people that have an issue with transportation or even are disabled or are unable to leave their homes. And so we will definitely be facilitating some mobile testing within the city of Compton as well. But currently, if you are in need of testing, please contact your medical provider and they will provide you with a referral of where you can actually receive a test in Compton or in the surrounding cities. Currently, Martin Luther King Hospital is a county testing facility serving the city of Compton. So if you do believe that you're exhibiting symptoms, please contact MLK Hospital and you can access their facilities as well. Compton Unified School District, in partnership with St. John's Clinic, will be offering a mobile test clinic on Tuesdays, every Tuesday from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. at various school sites. You can find out additional information by following CUSD, and we'll continue to update you all with that information as well once specifics are confirmed. I'd also like to just provide a quick report from some of our local community service providers in the city of Compton that are providing food, essential care items such as diapers and other personal care items for our seniors. They are doing a phenomenal job. As you know, it takes a community to respond to a global health pandemic, and so I'd like to just commend those organizations that are working with us to meet the needs of the city of Compton. One of those is the Compton Chamber of Commerce. Big salute to the Chamber of Commerce. They are operating a robust food pantry operation in partnership with the city of Compton. If you go to 700 North Bullis Road, you can drive through and pick up fresh groceries on a weekly basis. Currently, they're open most days of the week, Monday through Saturday. And we're asking that if you need assistance, please, you can always go to 700 North Bullis Road to the Compton Chamber of Commerce Food Pantry. They have also delivered hundreds, probably up to thousands of meals and groceries now to our senior facilities. I want to thank Debbie from my team for being the conduit and coordination to ensure that our that our senior homes are fully equipped and that they're receiving their grocery deliveries, as well as the other. Many of you have emailed our office and requested for a food drop-off, and we have fulfilled our current list as of this week. And so if you, again, need additional support, or if you know of neighbors that may need support, please continue to email us so that we can have that information and make sure that they are serviced and taken care of, especially during this time. And our email with our office is contactmayor@comptoncity.org. Also, I'd like to acknowledge United Hands. They have been working really hard to provide food within the First District area of the City of Compton. They've serviced many families, hundreds of people every Saturday. It is truly a hard labor of love to be able to get the food and separate it and distribute it. So a big thank you to all of the work they're doing. Sylvia Nuns, Angels, they have been a champion in the City of Compton. They have been providing a food bank every Saturday for many, many years. And so Cynthia is doing what she always does, which is feeding the community. You can always go to Sylvia Nunn Angels. They're located at 250 Long Beach Boulevard if you need assistance. And then also Pentecostals of Compton, they have a food pantry that's in operation. All of this information is in the Compton Resource Guide. So if you would like to access this information and share it, please do so. This information is on all of my social media outlets. If you go to my bio, click the link, it's going to take you directly to the resource guide. You can also visit the City of Compton's website, www.comptoncity.org/COVID19.asp will take you directly there, and you can download all of this information and find out how to get those valuable resources. Also, I'd like to thank Ms. Jackie Venters. She has been just a great leader in the community, doing great work, servicing families within her respective neighborhood. So big thank you to Ms. Jackie for all the work that she's doing to meet this need for our families in the City of Compton. Just so you all know, I hold a weekly call with community leaders so that we can discuss resources that are available to meet the community needs. There are providers that are doing this work in the City of Compton. We operate as a support and a conduit. We connect whether or not people need transportation. When we get donations of resources, we get them out to these community organizations. So if you are in need, we're here as a network. It's called the Compton United Resource Effort. The Compton United Response Effort. As you can tell, you guys, I've been doing a lot today. But yes, the cure, because I believe Compton, we are our own cure for everything that ails us. So CURE is operating, working together to meet your needs. Also, if you are a community leader and you'd like to join us on this effort, please email my office and we will add you to our weekly calls. You can email contactmayor@comptoncity.org. Be glad to invite you in. With all hands on deck, we work together to serve our community. And once again, thank you to all of the members of CURE for your just tireless efforts to our community. Also, I'm really excited. We have secured a partnership with a nonprofit called Pull Up Neighborhood to schedule a mass giveaway on Saturday, May 2nd from 12 to 2 p.m. So we are getting masks into the City of Compton to get out to you all. So there will be about 5,000 masks available for you all. We also received a great donation from the Crystal Hotel. They have donated enough masks to supply our critical responders for the next several months. They're the KN95 masks, which are set aside for health professionals. So we have, and first responders, so we have enough masks for Compton Fire and all those that are on the front line. Big thank you again to the Crystal Hotel. Also, I'd like to just publicly thank Jasmine Candice. She's a Compton native and just an incredible difference maker. And she has been facilitating a partnership with Good Plus for donating diapers to communities everywhere. If you've seen diaper giveaways from other cities, more than likely it's a connection from her. And so Jasmine has facilitated additional diapers for the Compton community through our office. And so if you missed the first diaper giveaway, if you missed the one that we coordinated earlier, we have more diapers for you. Again, you can always email us and we can set aside your specific size and give you a pickup time. And if not, we will disperse all of those resources to our CURE organizations and they'll get those out to their respective organizations as well. So again, if you need diapers, please contact us and we'll make sure that we set your sizes aside for your babies. Also, a few additional updates. We have been receiving many emails, and I thank you guys for being our eyes and ears on the streets about non-essential businesses operating in the community. And so I want to thank my team for creating a great tool where you all can report anonymously businesses that are operating in our community against the stay-at-home order and mandate. The link is available. It's on our COVID-19 website, which I've already shared. We also have the link on all of our social media channels. So if you just scroll down a little bit, you should see a link on how you can report essential businesses that are not operating according to the current law. Also, our print newsletter is now on the press and heading out to all of your doors in English and Spanish, so you can get the latest and greatest from the City of Compton, highlighting some of our projects, giving you the critical information you need for COVID-19 relief, and you will be receiving those shortly. So big thank you to the Compton team for getting that done and getting that to you all, because you deserve accurate and timely information. Also, we are working with local newspapers to reach seniors that may not have access to our website. We recognize that not everyone is connected online, not everyone even has cable or subscribes to Channel 36, which is the city's public information channel, or social media. And so we will continue to reach out to them and provide them with information through our local newspapers, and we'll position some things for them as well. Also, Republic Services had placed bulk pickups on hold for the safety of their employees. However, service will be resuming on May 2nd. So if you have bulk items for pickup, the service will be available for you all once again on May 2nd. And so we can keep Compton clean and utilize the resources that we all are paying for. And regarding our streets, I can assure you that the work is continuing during the crisis. I'm really excited. There was work going on last week, work going on this week. We just approved, as I shared last Tuesday, a approximately $6 million reconstruction project, which will be launching within about 30 days. And so there will be more major streets under reconstruction, more residential streets under repair, and more residential and main streets that will be grind and overlaid, which last about 10 to 15 years. So we are securing Compton streets. We're getting those under control, and our team estimates by this summer we would have addressed, as we're scheduled and budgeted now, at least 50% of the most critical streets in Compton. So we are making progress, and we'll continue to share the locations so that you all can be advised of that as well. Also, we will be sharing information. There's a great Compton native that stepped up to donate and to provide funding to secure fresh hot meals for Compton residents, which we anticipate the service will begin on May 5th. There are already organizations that are providing senior meal deliveries to communities, and there's also a program, I believe, with the state where you can sign up and purchase meals to be delivered if you don't feel safe going out. But we'll actually have a particular organization in the City of Compton that they're a reputable business, and they're providing meals and food in a safe way for Compton residents at no cost. So we'll have our own Compton meal service as well. And those are the main updates that I have for you this week. We will continue to keep you all in the loop, and I'm going to leave a few minutes to just answer any questions that you all may have. I see one question from Instagram. Is there a fund dealing with the homeless population and COVID-19? We resurrected a fund, launched a fund last week called the Compton United Relief Fund, which will be funding all activities related to COVID-19. We currently have not received a specific donor for the homeless population, but the city is in partnership with Hopics, which is the official kind of County of LA homelessness service provider. And so Hopics has been going out to homeless encampments, providing basic tools for sanitation. They have been checking the population, identifying if there are individuals that need medical attention. And so Hopics, there are homelessness arm to service this population in Compton. And so those efforts are continuing. There's also additional funding that is being made available by the county of Los Angeles and the state of California to expand efforts. And so as we receive those specifics, we will share, but I can assure you that HotFix is on the ground in Compton, checking on our homeless population during this time. I'm going to try to pull another question from Facebook. It says, Liz Gutierrez says, can you please repeat your email? Absolutely, ma'am. That is contactmayor@comptoncity.org. And this particular email address goes to me and my whole team, so you will definitely be reached with this email. There's one question related to by Lene Mims. Oh, I just missed Miss Mims. Thank you for posting it again. It says, any info on small business loans for City of Compton residents? Yes. So the Senate just passed the second stimulus package that will be provided to the SBA to provide loans for small businesses. The City of Compton, we will know our particular appropriation once all of those details are finalized. The first round of small business loans were depleted within a week's time. And so I understand that there are new provisions to basically carve out certain type of activities for small businesses. So I will keep you all up to date on that. And then additionally, we are preparing, we did receive a community development block grant, which comes from HUD, and that's a federal source for COVID-19 relief. And so we are reviewing the guidelines, and we plan to make a provision to assist small businesses, absolutely. And so that will be specific to Compton with a dedicated source of funds that we can continue to grow. And I can also assure you that we're obviously talking about immediate needs, but there's two ways that I'm operating in tandem. So addressing all of the emergency response, but I'm also focusing on the long-term impact of COVID-19 and how we can position our city to secure our critical fabric, which are our small businesses, our residents. We know that gentrification is a threat to many communities, but I believe that COVID-19 can be detrimental and accelerate that. And so we are focusing on another mechanism to stabilize, support our small businesses, and then also my goal is to expand small business is in the City of Compton. So I'd like to create some more wealth through all of you all. So we'll be sharing more about that in the next several months to come, but this is going to be a long-term process. This is not an event. This is something that we'll have to really band together and work through as a community for, I believe, the next several years to come. But I will keep you all up to date. I plan to continue these weekly updates even past the COVID-19 stay-at-home order. I want to ensure that you all get accurate information and also get feedback from you all on how we can better serve you. But the short answer is absolutely, we are focusing on our small businesses, and there will be resources and help available specific to Compton very soon. And then are there any more questions? I see something about, it's not, oh, that was just a comment. Are there any more questions that I can answer? And if you all didn't get a chance, or if I missed your question, feel free to just email me during the week, and I will address them. I will carve out time at the end of our just weekly updates to just go through different questions that I receive, because I want to make sure you all are heard and that you can hear from me as well. So I will definitely do that. Thank you. And I want to pick one more if I can. Central Avenue needs repair. Central Avenue is a phased project. We actually reconstructed the first phase of Central. Now the second phase of Central is underway. And so, and that includes Wilmington as well. We're grouping Central and Wilmington together. So we've done the first phases of both Central and Wilmington over, but we're going to finalize the last phase. And the last part of Central, so from city boundary to city boundary, Central has been addressed other than the bridge deck, which is a more extensive project. It requires state approval, and so we're going through the particular process so that we can actually update the Central Bridge, which is the connector to the freeway, and then that will be the last phase of Central, and then we'll be focusing more on Wilmington. But I will keep you all up to date. If you need additional information, please visit the city's website. We post as much stuff to social media as we can. And I encourage you to email me throughout the week, and I will get back with you throughout me directly or my team. We have a great team working hard for you every day. And then I try to get through as many messages as I can. As many of you know, I do respond, so I'll try to get to you as much as I can. But again, thank you all. Stay safe. It is critical that we do all that we can so that we can get past this hardship together. It's definitely a trial, and I know that many people are just facing the unknown. Many people have lost their jobs, have lost their income. Many people are battling so many things, and so my prayer is out to you all. Just know that we are working hard every single day to make your lives better and easier. So thank you all. God bless you, and I will check in with you. My next update will actually be on Friday, and I'll just do a quick update to let you all know the current on and the latest on COVID-19. Thank you all so much. God bless. Bye-bye.